Hey everyone, my name is Aman. I'm owner of Brain AI. Today I'm going to show you how to get up and running with NemoClaw powered by MiniMax 2.7. So right now we're not going to use any GPU. We're running entirely on cloud endpoints. So let's get into it. So first we are in a terminal. First we install NemoClaw with a single command. It's this curl command here. This sets up OpenShell and also NemoClaw CLI. You should see this banner and the installation completing. Nice. And so here we're going to accept the license, right? Type yes. And right now it's starting the gateway for OpenShare. Nice, here we go. So now it's time to configure our inference. So we're given a few options: NVIDIA endpoints, OpenAI compatible endpoints, Anthropic, etc. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to choose this number 3, right? And so here we're actually going to be typing in our base URL for if you're using endpoints. You just set the base URL and you want to actually paste in your API key here, like so. There we go. New model saved. And then you're going to want to also provide a name for the model as well. And we're going to be using MiniMax 2.7. There we go. And we're also prompted to enable Brave web search. I'm going to go ahead and say yes. So here we're also prompted to give them our Brave API key. Nice. And it's simple, right? Just like that. And we're also prompted to be given messaging channels. We're all familiar with things like Telegram, Discord, and Slack. So if you want those implementations, there's also implementations for those in the docs repo. For now, we're just going to enter and be done. So it's now time to name our sandbox. So first we're going to name our agent, my assistant. All right. So here it's now time to talk about the policies. So essentially the policy gives access to your agent for these things. These are preset policies like Brave, Brew, Discord, GitHub, Hugging Face, Jira, NPM, Outlook, PyPy, Slack, and Telegram. These are already pre-built implementations of what a policy might look like. So we're just going to confirm and go run with the Brave, NPM, and PyPy. These are, and here we are. So now our sandbox is now live. So first we want to run this source here. And then also we want to run NemoClaw, whatever you named your agent. So I did my assistant to connect to the sandbox. And then next we're going to do OpenClaw to UI. So the terminal UI. We're actually in. So first of all, it says tokens, right? Unknown model. When we ask the first question, so we say hello, it's going to eventually run the session. And boom, we have MiniMax 2.7, right? So it says, who am I? Who are you? It triggers this altogether. I'm going to say, can you edit files? What files do you have access to? And it has access to things like memory, heartbeat, etc. But it can't edit them, right? So it can edit it if you have permissions in the policy. But right now it's just set to read. Another thing is, let's say, search the internet using Brave to see what NVIDIA is up to. Nice. Here we are, right? CS 2026. GTC 2026, etc. And that's it. That is NemoClaw. And NemoClaw right now is running on MiniMax 2.7 from scratch in just a few minutes. No GPU, just your endpoints. Make sure that you check out the NemoClaw Docs at docs. NVIDIA.c soil lash of for more demos and use cases. So if you want to connect your NemoClaw to external tools. Anyways, if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Brain. I'll see you in the next one.